Hi, kitties. Snuggling mama. You want to let your babies come out for a little bit in the front room? Maybe walk around a little? Learn how to walk some more? They probably want to come out and explore a little bit. We can let them out for a little while. They're all right. Hi, kitties. Kitties. They're okay. They need to learn how to walk. He's standing up pretty good. Yeah. We let babies walk around a little bit. They haven't really been able to get out and walk around too much yet. They're fine. I'll put them back in there when they're done walking around, okay? Don't worry. They're just looking around. They just want to look around a little. Get some exercise, learn how to walk. They can't do that just in the closet all day. They're just walking around. Where'd you go, great kitty? Come here. It won't be long, and they'll be running through